The first thing to do is to charge this L7C Pro AI tracking tripod. You have to charge it first before use. Then after you fix the tripod, screw it under it and let it stand. There's a button at the back. That button is used for taking pictures or to record. It's at the back right there. Then at the front of it, you have some buttons there that you can use to work with this AI tracking tripod. So first of all, you need to remove the case from the phone. You have to remove the phone case and slide it through the side. Let it slide through the side. Then you can start using the buttons. So look at this now. That's it. So you're going to slide the case. Yeah. Let the camera be by the left side. Yeah, that's the camera. Then you slide it. Slide it in. So I don't know what's going on with this phone. It's trying to shut down. So you slide it through. Then you get yourself ready, right? Get yourself ready. Then the AI tracker is right there. So you can use this just like a tripod. But when you're ready to use it for tracking, there's a tracker there. You're going to attach it to the side. Yeah, that's it. So you can turn vertical or horizontal, vice versa, whatever you want. Yeah, that's it. Then, that's it. You can now attach that AI tracker. There's a space, a magnetic space for it at the side. So just click it in and that's it. Then you can track, it will track you. So anywhere you go, I'm trying to look for it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So it's at the side. So, but guys, you got to read the manual. Read the manual. So that's it. It's fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. So you can as well do whatever you want to do. You can turn it up. Yeah, you can turn it up or turn it down. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, so you can do anything you want to do with this, guys. Be creative with it. So it's going that way. Wherever you want to stand, it will always come back to track you. So that's it. So I'm going to do a video now. So I'm going to turn it. Yeah. Okay. So it's going to track me now. It's going to track me. I'm just showing you the variety of ways to use it. Okay, so now you see it's going to track me anywhere I move to. You see, it will look. I have to locate my face. Yeah, so that's it. So that's it, guys. You'll love it. Thank you so much. But still read your manual. Read your manual. Yep. Okay, guys.